enti se John Mahama be jimi sa na me fire na me pese osua nyansa NDC fo na na frɛ me ka chem se Kevin Taylor boa ne nam Ghana ho John Mahama e kwasia enti na me fire say be ya next time no onye say kwasia de ni bio
empeni for that some ka say bana Francis so ebusia ene Twene Jonas the omade Twene Jonas e be live streaming na live streaming not to the judgment atemu na atemu mona was sending strong warning and message to His Excellency John Mahama I will say Kevin Taylor ewa Ghana onye MC onye MP onye member of parliament adentina soldiers any police for na airborne home by on tiase Twene Jonas abeke kanadwa kire Mahama papa as I send a warning to him no send this strong message attem the die any insult be na ewumo ama Kevin Taylor no when wa president pale wo kire dan pale wa bo adwuma papa as IGP yenya no subida wa bo adwuma no akire adwene on Adwenepahene amanfo akire mu se wawu no Twene Jonas just anyimpa Adwenepahene wawu ye na otias na nema ekosi na eye mind games ana amanfo play hi Penyah block media metro say any demo obe like video na down my subscribe button na ba click the notification icon for latest updates na ba chiro adwene ma me e comment section metro so ba so a no chi video mo nua so enya bi ahwe eya bomodi ana e like e ma me any demo o like video na e boa ma etimi e go viral e de ma me da say obe ne sa now on say empempia na man for tabuza say na identity kwa na Twene Jonas oye live stream already amount for tem okasete ampanifo e ma even cause oye live stream ya amount for comment section e kwa ke kan mo adwen kire no Twene Jonas oye live stream o kire mu the purpose of warm up
na the whole Ghana duru ba bia cause the dom gusonso show actual real time view no and you free onkwa na ateso anka be nka comment na enyampo jampo say until the mame den mame let's talk about the guy said him kofu adwen yom say Twene Jonas ana a train boy no amani di nkofu atem no me no memetia I boy no kura di matem and a warm up is different from what you think. Warm up is based on the truth and the truth how warm up works, you know, and I make coach them to say Akufo-Addo buy where we are Ghana where yes minai so where we are Ghana where yes mina wakotoa ECG where yes ayakwa akochini well and ECG where yes awako we ya say omode kogu alumi scrap alumi branch amoton ma alumi foi nti saa no me so Akufo-Addo ma fire no so say Akufo-Addo taxpayers money a oje anopa awia numre yi levy ayetua no ye gisika na any light be abode no mo de koto electricity no man ba na masesa enoma no na mo de akogba alumifo no maton no magisika na gomobotom e ba sa o man na enye yi enko nanim enti sa na wo mapoti o based on the truth na mo de afaya nipa no enti enye se yakwaje obisika wa ha ana ye compare amano ana ye damage amano there be warm up is not like that. It's different from what you think.
O chire na fo betisi Mahama so elo chire mse adentina Mahama o ye adwuma pa Kevin Taylor yi oye boy mo na motua neka onye MC onye MP onye government official bia adentina Kevin Taylor aba Ghana sisi amnugese owo Ghana na mo yi soldiers for any place for omombo na ho ba oye de be ya
enti the fact say obi akwa jepa na odi nkofu atem no e different from warm up. I say obi ani me number me superstar Ghana ni bi ani ya say o me number this say wo so obi frame me and I'm feeling it back rough na me ne kasa obi ani ho a oni me number because I'm a superstar. It's not easy for somebody to know my number so and I'm number 2 me millionaire me was catcher mo wadwon so mo scan na wow me twi BMW omomugu Ghana onye Toyota nom tim America me tim ne BMW M Division Empower so what I say na me twi wow me da me mansion me hind by me how bia we are so anti I'm different from them anti mo ma me nyede enchire mo obi say use road Trump ne Kevin Taylor deportation okay fine bia ni say John Mahama ba ya o de ne kwasia akobo Kevin Taylor pa so me attack me so na me dina Mahama so na me dina tema based on the Jimmy and Jimmy no and I'm did not them sana warm up here. Oh, she said your mama didn't kwasia kobo Kevin Taylor pa. Until lines in my begin no romantic and me who cast in our house. And to care be a begin my chibia me who are and to my affected line pepe or romantic can and cassette me pack you. No much them baby I'm packing a line me shim pepe. And she said your mama didn't kwasia bo Kevin Taylor Adwenepahene ama odi asante fuatem. Mama na mama metia dwo mama me fire na. Ufiri asante fo so a wo ye odi bedru man polisi fo so. Odi firi man polisi fo so a odi be den, odi be kosisi alap fo so. Odi firi omo so a odi be ba den, odi be ba akuapem fo so. Nti se Mahama Jimmy na se akufo adu ma Jimmy, mumra me fix problem mo ba mo so Jimmy na mbeto aso a. Ese me be fire no. And based on the truth, that's how warm up work. Say beya your mama no ni NDC no enye Ghana for time. Because se obo abuwa bi pa now the taxpayers money to yaneka. Say only Ghana for time abra next 4 years na wo he ya obeba be expect say Ghana for nsa meto abama NDC a hwan ne be kwa koto abama mo na wasan akọbọ Kevin Taylor Adwenepahene so medi Ghana for time bio. Obi antoma indirectly no ugu party no. And when opportunity come and say opportunity no, when your opportunity aba, wo 3 months cry is far better than Akufo-Addo 8 years. Enti here say obesa di Jimmy abopa say obi nkodi atemoma ohun ye meche no enti say your mama be Jimmy say na me fire na me pese osua nyansa say be ya next time no ukojina baabi say ope vote a Ghana for nka say okay ye toma akwa we kura obebo pass ye medi Ghana for atem. So enti warm up is basically based on the truth. Enti nipa ni Jimmy a Jimmy no ho atem na oje metuwe iwa wani tuya say your mama onko bo pass Ghana for nkodi asante ai Kevin Taylor ni asante for atem ana mo pass Kevin Taylor medada NDC for Jimmy for ni so de me ba Ghana na da bia me prezi no until say omudi Jimmy ko bo pa no and am best pack hit man. Into warm up is different from obia ona kwaji contract say me di obi atem. Ti dia mecho ni you. And how warm up works is different from into bo medua enye ukum enye wo ye meden enye because ade America na ye nokre Akufo-Addo awia ye cables oni MPP mpanifo ni nyina ya akronfo obi anim so mbe wiae di level wiae o man si school dan obi anim so di level be wiae ye level time na ye anytime ye jaje difference bia ma wabrabom enti ji scan ye den ji kotugu kwa enti sa no me fire a based on the truth because ye intimate na o manum na yetimni ewu na obobi kroma ye bia adwuma beduruma no anya bi no aye so enti be said your mama didn't send you free. Your mama didn't send what Kevin. See, I mean, no Cassandra, this is soldier for an frame class. Your mama, the Kevin, and Bagana, and Tidiano Muniano because or threaten me so be deport me on bit my Adine Bonanam so Muniano. And this for an frame catch him say Kevin Taylor Adwenepahene and Amgana. They see, I mean, no Cassayo, almost frame I bear 3 days ago say, or Makushan and Abba. And to much them dying or them in our Ghana. I didn't become the almighty Krobia me when you also. And a moment I be Jimmy threaten on now your enemies because Ghana need the up so my ye. And mama catch them meeting about Pam will be ako one is a cayana, your baby or damning. But make us say, Monsieur Munyan, no funny kwasia uncle empty talk, bragging. One ya mention or match him baby or dog Ghana will be beating your boy without them up a war kind. What I say, how much them in police in here or the Namina? Won't the almighty Twene Jonas no be come here? What can Ghana for you now? Meno many of you will be a madame BMW in your politicians he can fool. What I say? Obviously, so what was it? A Tinya Ghana taxpayers money in the fool, me am Ghana, I'm there for $1 million go media and Sanda. And yet. Me a hard-working man. I don't rely on nobody to survive. I got my own money. And to me, different from them. Tidia mecho ni yo. Your mama namu yo be a bedia dance na me kabi man. Until so de ne kwasia Kevin Taylor bo pass e omunkodi asante fuatem. O yes sir. Untime nya de papa. Otwa yi love me abo abaso. wotwa checha bet yabo abaso nti die ntina wo bo wakora pa so nkodi asantefo atem abra wa unim se waban na afeli asantefo na wagya mo stores ahyehe nti waban na ntimi anum gya eye den sa akobọ aban ne sa akobọ obi pa so nkodi Ghana fo atem timi fire omo a based on the truth oma jimi ntina me fire omo your mama e kwasia ntina me fire am say be ya next time no onye say kwasia de ni bio onfa ne kwasia nkobọ pa ema ye nkodi group bi atem o man no ko sa group na na koto abama uni masantefo do omo ye ndisifo nti say wo no ye mampanyini na wa feli krona on sign mo obi nkodi kromu of atem. It doesn't work like that. A chopa na de be mom na ani omu nyina akosu nsa be ya next time no pe vote bi wa because we den 4 years beson obesa akokromu o anti se wanfa ne kwase ankosoma na kura amu amedada Ghana for so be deport me abra unim se wakura ne nye obia o de na chese baby sitter no ni tipen me ametwi powerhouse. Do you know who I am? I am the almighty Twene Jonas. Means restless can free politician ho. Politician to me offer me $100,000 ye can pay my minfium. Omo offer $200,000 ye can pay my minfium because I want Ghana to develop. This me pe mine ye na se wa banyaba. Obe concentrate your mind ye now the Jimmy kobo pa. Can you say me ba be fire back? Me ba be strike it. So anti Kevin Taylor Jimmy no. Obi so what is your proof? Kwasia nipa no NDC for na na frame aka chem ze Kevin Taylor no. Your mama ne si etua ni TV. Ni TV mano. Your mama no na sponsor no your mama no even oba Ghana sisi am no kasa o te Ghana your mama ene de na sie. Your mama de Kevin Taylor si o she Ghana sisi am no kasa. Kevin Taylor your mama na started police form bon ho bai. Ni nyina your mama kwasia nipa no nyo bia oye DC o Ghana o ye MP oye den na police ni di nam because of said your mama na protect no enti se wa kura wo ne nam no wantimi an katia na anche ne ongo kana uja no mane kodi asantefo asantefo don get me wrong omo na mamu dwo manu so me kuro mu nyame ombekumi ombe mi sei but that doesn't mean say mentna ona politician bi entna o ensoma ne nkura so mu ni o matem me asantefo mo se o me o problem me mfa so obi si o ne me o problem wo ye mampanyini a emma obi nkodi group bi atem ye nya ne sha wo ba bia wo ye mampanyini for all of us and it say ai unipa na wo ne nam no mu ko opposition no amana di atem wa ban no e wo so a you are serving the whole nation won serve NDC for nko and it say how the Jimmy so man ye kodi group bi atem a me ba be ye ho adwuma as simple as ABC and am be fire na mochulo stop insulting man panyina me mfa me koso fire no until so be the right thing. That is how it works. That is how warm up works. This your mama and Jimmy and some money bano. I'm one could dinko for atembi or many asem. But in the kwasia sabo pebi you are my fire no. Obi entmin kasa. And I be deport and my tiabre Ghana for cratiabre. I am half talk, I empty talk.
Oh, ye debe enti waba Ghana soldiers ene bon ho ban. Sese. Twene Jonas odadwe no ho on tiase. In fact, already can I tell Mahama. Eno chirum say, oh, down pare de nyame anu nukure ni. MPP aban na enye ba down pare de. Down pare boy adwuma tim boda baso.
Entu kodi o matema, de na akwa asan akwa kire om. Obeya ma NDC ni nya akono because MPP for ya kromfo ntime de mo aban me expect say mo medani agimefo. Me expect say mo be ye adwuma mistakes ne wrongdoing of the MPP no. Mo ba be correct no. Enti mo ba be correct na master T Jimia. There is a problem there right into say me fire mo. Say be am be Jimmy no. Don't get me wrong. Akufo Adwe Jimmy ameka your mama Jimmy ameka MPP NDC they be omu nyina hye ho ma pase. Enti nipa na Jimmy na me had no based on the truth. Sana wo ma putie. Dampare oba ya no ye adwuma. Even though say MPP for Jimmy, they be am born abaso because dampare na teswa new IGP Mahama de ne ba infaso bia ni so. Eno ntina Mahama vice yarea se ne ho ne mfa no se senyo asofofo de abeto mu obewu na ye beye na ye IGP wentimi nche kotere kura. Enso dampare wo hye nkwasia fake prophecy oba abechew. enti such a person, even though say MPP for Jimmy, but still what you say akwa we bo adwuma. So enti when we are talking about warm up, there is difference between boys no mugu social media majiji skating ko for atem. I don't do that. Obi ani ga no betima bebo dua so ama me wan cedi because me was catch am nyina me twi BMW M division $1 million car, serious massage seat, ventilation, proper system, powerhouse badge in the bohon. Any X drive X in the bohon 4x4 no. Everything diamond, crystal diamond. When you know a diamond. All the soft touch diamond. So, level of a level I me was so politicians in one and the idea ntina obiano no ntimi nuru me level me was catching pam my GD chain I live comfortable life politician taxpayers money na omudi they don't have nothing and the idea ntina mani ko biro bin makwaje coins Ghana si kam de so and me kanokre na bibini agimini nti ompe nokre nti da bia no aye ne se no odi mpanifo atem cause yete woni atena ona nipa group ketu bia yato abamom omba no mabewi oman sika no mko omba no mabewi oman sika no mko no monye hwe no oman ne de tia ne te na obo obi krom no wayiyi Ghana fo na msusu kwa ko na ba ko fo timi wi oman ni nyina sika ne yete woni ye hwe omo a ye moa we have to press them nebe ombe adwuma ni yetisi adwomama hit am the spark money won se na boa no emedi group bi atembio se ma megira omo so na meja omo anka se amere ofiri asantefo so no ko ba bi fufuru kodi o mata obo se kamite lo nti medi group bi atembio da because the almighty say dwomama nim no de ne kwasia esoma no mani be di atembio a imedian this be ko opposition straight me na me ka kire mo me na Ghana fo nyina look up to me me na de me ka bi omutie enti onima ontime media tem bi woda beka me kai so nkwasi asem enti I have stopped him and now Kevin Taylor looking for you, why you running on your beer? He's nobody ontime look for me on your beer. Your mama na kra your beer. Kevin Taylor is just a babysitter or tia bruchly lazy man. Come dinner or rely on Ghana politicians to survive. Plain TikTok de ko Ghana nyina your mama ni tia. TV your Ghana nyina your mama ni tia. Taxpayers money na hano. Somebody like this, no. Over the never compare me and me am kwasi asem na o make. So over the never compare me and kwasi asem na okika. Or nani or ban a chain the onye me dear me pena me or a babysitter out Bruni Abruana befana better than in Chionga, America, and all her Bruni Abruana. I will say stop insulting the president, my friend. One fan kwasi uncle obi pass on me that NDC for Jimmy Fons or be deport me. And what is a man didn't attempt that. Metimbe be no employee, be no catches or me. On fan kwasi American Ghana for so be deport me. Kwasi me do attempt na mnyoden. Nti your mama no nye kwasi no uncle bo Jimmy pa. Nka me medi na attempt da. Ba odi ne kwasi akobo pa ni de. Me ba be fire no da bia. There's nothing you can do. The mbetimi ya answer morning be kasa se masa obubo pa na mani ni wakura no from Jimmy nka boy na sem. That is the only thing you can do because your mama no nyobia he's nobody when it come to warm up. So anti warm up MPP NDC omunyina hye warm up as unya te ase a there's no problem obeya the power mine no Jimmy ana me be fire unya hwe am na oni asem. Anti sa IGP we no me hwe na say Ojai mo usu bempamu Jimmy the fear and panic in nam krumo no ntimi nchena mema jo mama yi na di me kan okra che no me ba be fire jo mama back to back am wo yi na di because power ni kura na nkwasiafo we ya kom de omo a omo de selfish people omo mpebrenti omo zankofo ejiska na omo te ho dada Ghana for say mampanyino e vice bewu ami aye na ye na NDC for so agime for mu ntimi mema state of nation address na mo mama ame ne nkasa se oh Ghana for e de asofofo ne kanyina anya nokure na me ho odene me gina me na so de ne da bi magimi nti ana maye din na information ne trend sa nkofo frɛ me maame na wu ampa o dwoma ma kuku na ampa o na mse da bi maame ni nwuye o ye biza o ye adwuma anti momra na mema state of nation address and am for microphone kwhye maame na no nka se o me ho aha me ho odene me ho metiapo because asofofo na ya azan for many years nti nkofo believe o mo lies no
na also na nsem when they pop up on the internet say Adwenepahene wawu Adwenepahene there. There are videos upon videos that say odidi asante for atem, odidi asante hina atem, odidi Akufo-Addo atem, Emma Sebe oko USA kwana there is this sculpture of sculpture of chimpanzee. Uma chimpanzee sculpture si baby. Or the Akufo-Addo koto tun kwagina ho ko sere say Akufo-Addo na wo ha ni me say o make many fan of Akufo-Addo. Emma wu ye no. Na one for claim say because of the insult to elders near their day and they couldn't, but strangers said to them, say, I can find umuye. Now they cost a mind games and a phone a play.
And now say kwasia musi we a fake there for our pretenders we. Eno oye NDC ni. Me NDC for na catch them a mind game no play. Entina me catch them za kwa ni wuye because we wa can yire to social media also. Na busiamfo jonkuma tama Akufo-Addo kuku jonkuma no oni ba omi akuku no. Ne yire videos nam social media ma me ni so saa entidi entina we ne yire nam ho a wonsu ye na busuani bia ma mesu ye yentwa na busua pictures bia wosu Kofi-Addo na ni wa ya no kure no ne yire ba social media besu ye won nya meche no enti we no ba busuani bia ntime ma abonte na social media bloggers na si wawu a eye fake won nti adentina nipa na wu camera wo mfun muntwa mane ehu se nipa na wu ampa a mind game no mu play and a story of the attach ni na kwasia story say nipa na ni tia ni yam ne ko ye operation no ma ne ba fi operation de oba wawo 5 oba wu 6 kran wawo afa na ade enu ma wu afa ma emu abai hojo na eye easy so oba wo no okwo na kra doctor for ne ma fie da keep 2-3 days and make sure so you okay answer no majano. How much more than the pine trim near yapum pam near jan so Kofi said and I am kwasia story. It doesn't work like that anywhere in Europe and America. It doesn't work like that. They will keep you there for about 2 weeks or 1 month or 3 weeks to monitor you to make sure say you are in a stable condition. And so no maja unti say o koye Friday na ntiene ya. All call hospital na mo pine team Friday no man be fi Saturday nwumre no na moja say nyunu no sa ko Sunday no we Jimmy semoyi nkwase akeka no moka enti the story doesn't add up bia mo an makuku na mmeka nkyere say mo an makuku no because the story you are giving us is false story. It doesn't work like that. Hospital ben na obi be yo surgery no aja say san akofie that me nkra ya mbeto me form aduane akoyi won say smart pet enie pet store my bejina no me be fan nuane akoma me nkra no we me be spend almost $1,000 in nuane nkom kodi so my mom me coffee nkakra it's based on what they are telling Ghanaians. There's a fishy around the story. The storyline is fake. Akwani we on an amo na fake publicity no open. So anti say what they make compare say na Twene Jonas nwuye na akwana wu na Twene Jonas su di atema me ni obi atem otu baby na waya de pa me no ni asem wo ye nkwase ade a na wo map kan
Etweni semwa the other Twene Jonas in his judgment and the live stream the buyer not to the judgment no what be you go what is your take and what is your view on that cherewa dwene mama e wo comment message was obe share video no na obe like it na everything reach nipa be do be hi Penyah Block Media.